Hi and welcome to this beginner's HTML tutorial. My name is Patricia and in this series I will show you everything you need to know in order to create your first website with HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Overall, there are 5 different versions of it, with HTML5 being the latest. It was released in 2014 and is now considered the standard. This means that if you are creating a new HTML page, you should use HTML5 and not one of the previous versions. HTML is not a programming language. Instead, it is used to give meaning and structure to web pages so that the browsers can efficiently display them. Let's look at some examples. Here you can see a title which is wrapped into H1 tags. H1 stands for a heading, but we'll discuss this in more detail in a future video. Before the text you see the opening tag, and at the end of the text you see the closing tag. The difference is that the closing tag also contains a slash. Another example is this paragraph, which is indicated by the p tags. You can see the p tag opening at the start and the closing p tag at the end. Most HTML tags, or also called HTML elements, have an opening and closing tag. There are, however, exceptions such as an HR, BR, or even the image tag, but we'll discuss these ones in later videos as well. You should always use the tags for their intended purpose. For example, a paragraph should be in a p tag, a title should be in a H1, H2, or another heading tag. The reason for this is that this is the only way browsers can make sense of your page. However, heading tags, for example, are usually bolder and bigger than paragraph texts. If you have a paragraph and you want to display it bigger and bolder, you might think that putting it into a heading tag might be okay, but this is definitely not recommended and might harm your page. This is everything I wanted to include in this introductory video. In this series, I will walk you through most of the tags that are being used, and I'll explain what you should use them for and what's best practice. In the next video, I will show you how to create a simple HTML document and how to load it in the browser. If you like this video, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.